20KHz Ultrasonic Welding device. Ultrasonic welding is the most mature, stable and widely used application in the ultrasonic industry. It's been the most popular for parts for mask machine, paper cup machine, tube welding machine, etc. Since 2020 the pandemic exploded, our 20KHz ultrasonic welding machine has been widely used for mask machine. Our 20KHz ultrasonic welding machine has the types of ultrasound waves. Continuous ultrasound wave is used for welding the masked body. While intermittent ultrasound wave is used for welding the masked pure loose. Fast speed ultrasound waves with high impedance, very good welding effort for non-woven materials. Welcome to contact us for more details.